Hey guys, I'm back again with the next video. I'll be dropping videos once per day as I said, so turn on post notifications, subscribe to the channel, like and comment. Remember, I'm giving away one free mentorship to a lucky person who comments below, so comment below to win a free mentorship, right? If you want access to a Forex course, the link is below. If you want access to our Discord server, that's also below, and mentorship is also below. So click the link to get those packages. But yeah, in this video I'm going to be talking about Forex brokers and which broker you should use and which one is the best in my opinion, right? So I've been through most of the brokers, XM, I've been through Hot Forex, I've been through Hugo's Way, I've been through most of the brokers that you could probably name out there, but so far the best one I've seen is Hanko Trade. The reason why I like Hanko Trade is because they actually give traders a bonus. So like when you sign up, if you deposit more than $100, they actually put that same exact amount that you added onto your balance. So if I put $500, they put another $500 onto my balance. If I put, so you get the idea, 300, they put 600. So that's one of the main reasons I like Hanko Trade. And another reason why I like them is because they have a lot of leverage options. So I could actually put one, I think the highest leverage they have is 500, or yeah, I think it's 500. So yeah, I really rock with Hanko Trade. So if you guys want a broker, I really recommend Hanko Trade. Yeah, and if you guys want to actually sign up with Hanko Trade, I'll have a link below for that as well, so you guys could actually sign up for that broker. But that's the broker I'm using currently to trade with, Hanko Trade. So yeah.